Natanggal. Natanggal din yung dalawang ano. Oh, shit. Natanggal yung dalawa kong ano dahil sa malakas na.
Are you going to pay me with the card or with
Yeah,
transfer?
I don't have any money cash here. I have to pay you.
No cash. E-transfer or card?
It's just the same, I guess. Somewhere down there. I went down earlier.
Oh yeah, right there. I see.
Same thing.
Fuck.
Yeah.
I don't have extra.
What?
Problem. Yeah. Oh shit. It's the same. You have two broken too.
Yeah, same as the other guy. Guys, may warning tayo sa truck. Coolant low. Ba't biglang nag-coolant low samantalang kanina punong-puno yan? Meron yatang problema. May tubig kasi akong nasagasaan. Baka mamaya may na-damage dun sa ilalim. Ito muna ako. Baka makain na basa. Kabayin ko lang. Off muna. Coolant, engine coolant is critical low. Ba't kaya nagkaganon? Malayo-layo pa naman ako sa ano. Uy, lakas ng hangin. Nabasa. Baka may nabasa. Buulan pa naman. Yep. Holy shit. Naubos yung ulan. Oh puto. May nabutas yata o ano. Ano? Nabutas ba ano? Ano nang gaan? Naubos na walang kulang. Hindi naman ito kulang. Biglang naubos ang kulang. Teka, may kulang ako sa loob yata eh. Patay tayo. Wala akong coolant. Patay tayo niyan. Tubig ang ilagay ko muna hanggang sa makabili tayo. Makapunta tayo sa truck stop. Ito, meron pa akong coolant. Ito. Ano ba to? Ito, mayroon pa tayong coolant. Bigla ba naman naubos? Butas yata. Nabutasan yata ako ng ano. Nabutasan yata ako, guys. Puta. Bigla naubos. Ay, nako. Nako, buti na lang meron akong reserba. Nangyari? Ay puta oh. Doon sa ilalim, guys. Putang ina. Andun sa ilalim. Doon sa ilalim tumagas. Kulan to oh. Patay tayo. Mayroon kasi ako nasagasahang tubig eh. Yung maraming tubig. Nako pa, nabutas na yata doon. Walang hiya. Matay na. Lobat na pati. Nagbutas sa ilalim. Walang hiya. Shit. Ay no, tumutulo yung kulat eh. Wala rin. Ay nako, mamamatay na pa itong ano. Hindi ko na i-charge. Shit. Ano nangyari doon? Magkaroon ng problema rin yata. Nabutasan din yata ng kulat. Walang yan. Ay nako. Ayan oh. Patay tayo, patay tayo. Kailangan kong gawan ng paraan yan. Otherwise malayo-layo pa naman ako guys sa ano, sa truck stop. Naku, patay tayo. Alright. Lalo na pagkagabi pa naman. Okay, so battery. Okay, so ano ba naman to? Lahat na yata hindi naman wala ba, bakit parang lahat hindi na yata gumagana? Lobat din ba? Delikado kapag kaganito, kailangan kong magtawag. Saan ba napunta yung aking ano, mga battery? Yung mahina rin pala to. Mahina rin yung battery nito. Ayan o. Wala akong ibang ano guys kundi cellphone. Cellphone lang talaga. Ano na to? Roblog na to. Mayroon ding sumunod dun sa likuran ko. Anong nangyari kasi sa truck din niya? Parehas din yata kaming nabutasan eh. Parehas kaming nabutasan ng ano, plastic. Parehas kaming nabutasan yata ng coolant. Ano? Parehas kami. Ayun, nabutas din yan. Hey! What happened to your truck? What happened to your truck? What happened to your truck? I said, what happened to your truck? Huh? Huh? Bleed? Coolant leak?
Yeah.
Oh shit, me too. My truck is coolant leak too. You know the water over there?
Yeah.
The water that in the yeah, me too. Oh, shit. Why is that happen? When I do my pre-trip, I just a camera and video vlogging. So when I do my pre-trip this morning, it's full and then it's become like that.
Any service call?
Are you calling?
Yeah, no. I just check.
Yeah. So you just have a sign in the truck. It says law of your thing. Yeah. You same thing. Oh, you're also Volvo? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, Volvo.
No, it's right there. Oh, I say it. Some right there. Look. Did you see it? It's drifting now.
Red Airline?
Right there, right there. You see it? That water over there, see?
Yeah, any clamp leak and you can check any clamp and
I don't know. I'm not. I'm going to check my truck too. I put mine like this, and then it's gone. See, this coolant is right there. It's cool red. You can open this one.
You can
Yeah.
do?
Huh?
Do?
Yeah. No, I'm not going to. I don't know where to buy.
Location, any service.
Yeah. I'm going to check my truck too. And if you're going to call, then call now. Are you company driver or owner operator?
I'm on Peter.
We're the same.
You can.
You gonna call first. You have a lot of money than me. Siya muna para magpasabay na ako magpaayos. Oh, tragis parehas kami. Kasabayan ko, alas din. Oh, hindi, kasabayan ko ano. Tignan ko sa ilalim kung anong pwede yun. Oh, alas din. Patayin ko muna yung truck ko. Wala guys. Parehas kami. Yung yung coolant nabutas dahil sa tubig. Tinamaan siguro, tinamaan ng tubig. Mandilim kasi, hindi mo naman alam eh. So, bumaparurot. Pag yung mga yan huminto, alam na ang problema rin. Vlog na to guys. Patayin ko muna tong truck ko para hindi lalong ano. Pupunta ako sa ilalim. Wala namang ibang daanan dito kundi dito sa ilalim eh. Wala, ay nako po. Hindi, naririnig ko pa rin, tumutulo pa rin. Ang lakas ng tulo guys. Okay, so wala. Sana magapang ko pa. Ayan, meron tayong ano. Sana maagapan ko pa. Ano kayong problema sa ilalim? Ang lakas ng tulo. Ano? Ay siya. Butas. Ay ito. Wala yan. Higa-higa na ako rito. Ayan o. Ay putang ina. Natanggal. Natanggal yung dalawang ano. Oh shit. Natanggal yung dalawa kong ano. Dahil sa malakas na naputol oh. Oh. Walang hiya. Oh. Natanggal. Walang hiya. Alam, kailangan ko tumawag na nga nito. Ah, siya. Oh. Huh? Ayan oh. Ay, shit. Okay, so wala stick. Hanggang sa maubos na lang ito guys. Ayan, paubos na siya. Ayan o. So oh, ano na, nagsitanggalan yung ano niya. Oh, nabali na pala. Oh, alam niya. Wala akong magagawa dyan. Kailangan kong itawag. Papalitan din yung kulang ko na yan. Siya. Parehas kami nangyari doon. Walang magagawa yun to. Sayang lang yung kulant niya. Parehas kami nangyari. Gabi pa naman. Walang iya. Ay nako, tumulo pa sa bungang ko yung ano guys. Yung kulang mapait. Alam mo yan. Ay nako, nadali. Siya. Eh ganyan talaga kasi nga yung ano natin. Tatawag siya, kailangan nang tumawag. Pero parehas kami nga dito. Hindi rin naman nga pwedeng bumiyahe. Kailangan niyang tumawag yan. Parehas kami. Tartin ang kailangan dyan eh. Tartin na galon yata may ika. Lalagyan tartin galon. Sarado ko lang ito guys. Ay nako. Asan yung galon? Saan ko nilagay yung galon ko? Ay, nabutas. Kasi kapag tumawag ako siyempre open na rin siya. Hindi ako tumawag, magpapaayos na rin siya dun eh. No choice. Kailangan tumawag. Wala guys. No choice. Basang-basa ako guys kasi sinilong ko sa loob. Magbihis lang muna ako guys. Wala, no choice. Kailangan tumawag. Kailangan tumawag. Parehas kami ng problema. Magkasunod lang kami. Hindi pa kami nakakalayo pag angat. Diyan sa may di ba? Nandito tayo sa swift current guys, di ba? Tulay. Tulay may tubig. Tinamaan ng tubig eh. Nauna lang ako sa kanya kasi gawa nga ng siya kasi ang hinihila niya 2 trailer, ako isa lang. Bis lang ako. Yes.
Have you called the service guy?
Not yet. I went down there.
Yeah.
It's broken. You had to call a service.
Okay.
You will call?
Trying somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay.
The water is the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys. Tatawag sila. Hanap din ako. Team pala sila, team. Alright guys, yan. Pababa yung ano dyan. Ngayon maghanap din ako, tatawag din na. Hindi rin na ayong umasa rin sa diskarte nila. Hayaan mo sila dyan. Tatawag din ako. Maghanap din ako ng ano. Okay, so yan, balikan ko kayo guys. Hanap lang ako. Saan ako pwede makahanap. Hello? Ay, nakahanap ako guys. Wala na yata.
You've reached Kelly with Eveline Kenworth and Swift Current. I can't take your call right now, but if you leave your name, number, and the time you're...
Alas 11 na kasi guys eh. Travis. Sanggala. Hanapin natin ito. Pagtatawagan natin itong mga available dito.
Welcome to One of Industries After Hours Service. To efficiently direct your call, please select from the following menu options. For parts, press 2. For service, press 3. For sales, press 4. You are being transferred to 3.
Gabi pa naman.
Morning service after hours, how can I help you?
Yes, good evening. I need help.
Okay.
Yes, so I have a problem with my coolant. Like I think the host.
I can give you some numbers of people that do roadside, otherwise, like, do it up until 8 a.m.
Oh, so nobody will going to come?
Well, I have to give you some numbers. Excuse me, I have hiccups. I can give you some phone numbers to call.
Okay, hold on. Oh, sure, for sure, go ahead.
Get your phone number?
Yes, go ahead.
What's your phone number? And then I can text them to you.
204.
You'll call them. I'm gonna text you phone numbers that you can call.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Guys, antayin ko lang yung sinasabi niya. Ay, nako. Hindi, siyempre, ayoko naman iasa yung aantayin ko pa kung makakatawag ba sila o hindi. Siyempre kapag parehas lang din naman kasi ang sistema niyan guys, after hours din naman. Kung sakali man ako maunang ayusin, susunod sila, parehas lang din naman ang gagawin nila. Kasi after hours service din sa kanila eh. After hours din service sa akin eh. Ako lang ang tumawag. Parehas lang din. Siyempre gusto kong ako maunang tumawag para sa ganun ako maunang yan. Ito nag-text. Speedy Creek Mechanics. Okay. Okay, so she will be able to help. Okay. Ang dami namang number ito. Okay. Isa-isahin ko ito. Binigyan ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Limang number tinik sa akin. Okay, so Speedy Creek Mechanic call.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available.
1, number 1 na yan. Pangalawa, Swift Petit Repair. Ang malas naman na ano pa kami doon sa tubig. Ang taas kasi siguro ng tubig na yan, hindi makita, ang dilim eh. Basta nagdadrive lang kami, hindi naman malakas ang ulan dito sa banda rito. Yeah.
Sorry I missed your call, please leave me a message, thank you.
After leaving a message, you can hang up or press pound for more options.
Hello there, please call me back. I have a problem with my truck. I need help with my coolant underneath of the engine. It's broken. Please call me back to this number 204. Wala guys, hanap tayo ng iba.
Hello?
Oh, hello sir.
Alright.
Yes, I need help.
What's wrong?
Yeah, so my truck has broke down. I think my coolant, the coolant is drifting all the way to the underneath. There's a 2 hose underneath, it's come off because I've been driving here, you know the hilly thing here in Swift Current, and there's a lot of water.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the cause. And then I went underneath of my truck and it's drifting. This is my phone number. I can actually send you a picture on it, so that you know what you're going to bring and how many coolant.
What kind of truck is this?
Volvo BNL 760.
Uh-oh.
Yes, sir.
Is it the plastic lines on the passenger side?
Hold on. There's a guy also here. There's 2 people. There's 2 truck also coming here. Yes.
Mechanic is coming in 2 hours. You can check it out with them.
Oh, you call someone?
Yeah.
In
already.
2 hours?
2 hour now, like he's gonna come in like 1 hour. So in a Swift Current. So like he's gonna come in. He already have 1 truck broken inside the.
They're fixing there. I also calling someone in here.
I already called. He's coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Yes, the other guy also, because actually we have 3 people broke down here just because of that water in there.
Oh.
Oh.
And where's the guy coming from?
Somewhere in Swift Current, and well, I don't want to because it's just the same. I guess it's just the same. How is it? It's 1 hour, so I don't know if you just nearby. You can just come here with me.
Yeah, but who's coming? That's what I'd like to know.
No, I don't know. I don't care about them. It's other people. So you have a phone number? You wanna come with me and check me out in here?
It's a Volvo, so you gotta send me a picture because we don't have a Volvo dealer, so we gotta make sure we have the parts.
Yes, of course. Okay.
Okay.
So this is your number?
Yeah.
3208 cell phone?
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
3208. I will text you the picture underneath of my truck so that you know what you're going to bring and fix, and also bring some coolant because I don't have any coolant here now.
okay. Let me send me the picture. We'll see if I can even help you first.
Okay. Alright, guys. Isisend ko lang yung may video ko kanina, buti na videoan ko. Tapos magka-crop lang ako doon. Tapos i-crop ko, i-screenshot ko yung video na video na to. Para sa ganun makita niya ng maigi kung anong bidadalhin niya dito. It's drifting. Ayan guys. Yan, nakatawag niya ito mga isang oras daw sabi niya eh. Kung pupunta siya sa akin, pupunta itong sa akin, tawag itong ito sa akin in 30 minutes, di mas mauna pa ako. Guys, antay ko lang to guys. Na-send ko na Alright guys, may natawagan ako. Yun din pala yung tinawagan nila, itong pumunta rito ka sa akin kaganina. Yun din. Yung kausap ko kanina, sinend ko yung picture sa kanya, wala doon siyang ganung klase ng fittings. Yun nga, naglilik na yun. Delikado. Delikado pala kapag nakakatama. Kita mo, nakakatama ka ng tubig. Kita nyo naman guys, paano mo malalaman ang dilim-dilim? Paktay tayo. Ano? Kadilim. Doon ako dapat nandun na ako dapat. Kaya lang ako guys, ang ganda lang. Dumating na guys yung yung gagawa na sa kabila na. Mauuna siyang silang kasi sila yung maunang tumawag eh. ayos na yung truck nila. Punta natin. Ito na pala. Hello.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Are you the one we talked earlier?
Yeah, the one.
Oh, okay. So you going to fix his truck first?
Yeah, I'm gonna fix this truck because he called me first.
Yeah. Okay. That's
So-
fine.
So I'm.
Oh, you so you have like that.
Yeah. he
Okay.
told me. So I'm gonna fix it for him.
And then you will come to me.
I will come and.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yes, that's not good. The problem is over there, right? Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna wait you now in my truck. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
You
Okay.
have the same problem, right?
Same problem. Wait. Yeah. Same problem.
So
Underneath.
you need 2 of these hoses too, I guess. Then
I guess yeah. Two hoses.
I
Okay.
don't know if I have all that shit. Because that's the thing.
There's a lot of here. Yeah. There's more here. You don't have to. Don't make me feel nervous. Nervous.
no.
Nervous. Okay. I will wait you there.
Okay, buddy.
Okay.
You're from Philippines?
Yeah, Philippines. Filipino.
I see that. You're 5'6".
Five. No, I'm not 5'6". You guys is 5'6". Okay. All right. Okay. I'll wait you there. Ayun guys, antayin ko na lang siya to. Oh, yes, andito na. Is the other guy done?
Yeah. Put the flashers on, my friend.
Passer, okay.
Okay.
Hold on. He's gonna take the thing in the other side.
Okay. It's a safety lock.
Yeah, there's a safety lock. All right. Okay.
Well, let me see what's going on.
Yeah, it's just the same, I guess. Somewhere down there. I went down earlier.
Oh yeah, right there. I see.
Same thing.
Fuck.
Yeah.
I don't have extra.
What?
Problem. Yeah. Oh shit. It's the same. You have 2 broken too.
Yeah, same as the other guy.
Yeah.
Is it gone? Okay. Yeah, he's gone. Good thing he is gone. I wanna go too, cause this place is not safe to park.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Fuck. You have the same problem.
Yeah, same problem.
Yeah, you have 2 broken fucking lines too. Do you have coolant?
I don't have coolant, that's why I'm telling you. There's no more coolant that I have.
Who is the? It's your truck?
Here is my truck.
You are the owner operator?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. So you will pay me?
Of course.
Okay.
I'm the one who paying you. Cause my company they are sleeping in Manitoba now. Yeah.
But it's a company truck or your truck?
Yeah, it's my truck.
Oh, okay, it's your truck.
I'm paying you.
Okay, so I cannot charge you too much money.
Yeah, not charge me too much money, please.
That's the thing, yeah. If it was company, I charge different money.
Okay, that's good.
Now company, I don't charge
Yeah.
too much money.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay, you will start working, okay?
Yeah,
I'm
just
go-
give me 1 minute.
I'm just gonna go back to up. I'm just gonna lay down a bit, okay?
Okay, you go ahead.
Okay.
I have to go and get some parts
Okay.
because I only had 2
Okay.
already used.
Okay. All right then. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it open like that, okay?
Yeah.
Hihiga muna ako, guys. Because I'm going to sleep a bit.
Yeah. Oh, you sleep.
Oo.
I will go get
Alright guys. Natapos na daw niya yung isa. Tababayin natin. Buti na lang wala nang ulan. Yup. Okay. You finish everything now?
Yeah, the bottom finished. Are you going to pay me with the card or with
Yeah,
the
I
transfer?
yeah, I don't have any money cash here. I have
No,
to
no,
pay
no,
you.
no cash. E-transfer or card?
Yeah, e-transfer, yeah, that's fine.
E-transfer is good.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
So just so you know, I charged $700 to the last guy
Oh,
because he had the coolant.
okay.
You don't have coolant.
Okay.
Okay, so it is going to be more. So
How much is the coolant?
I will tell you everything right now before we do this.
Yeah.
So this line there, I
Okay.
charge him $150 for one line. It's the same price.
Okay.
It's minimum 150 and maximum 350. It's
Okay.
normally the price of the lines
Okay.
because I replaced two. I'll show
Okay.
you. Okay, right there. Come.
You replace two with mine?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The other guy?
Same.
Same?
These lines.
Those lines?
Yeah.
Okay.
They break. Right.
Okay, so
So I pay. You pay $150 for this.
so what about this? Did you put something like this?
Yeah, I put the better one.
No, I mean the plastic.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything is there.
Okay.
It's not. It's very good that I did.
It's very good?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So it is. I will tell you. So it is.
How much is the coolant?
I'll tell you. So it's
150?
150 for the call out,
Okay.
2-hour labor,
Okay.
$300 for the line.
Okay.
It's 770
Okay.
and plus coolant. Okay. So coolant, I think he take what 8 jugs, 8 jugs I think.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 8 into 22
$22
for one.
one? Okay.
So it's 8 jugs.
Okay.
So fuck, how much is 22.8? $22 times 8 is 176.
Okay.
Okay. 176. So no, that is not right. Maybe it is right.
Yeah.
176. Okay. So it's 946
Okay.
plus tax.
Okay.
So it is 5% tax
Okay.
because you are from from
Manitoba.
Wisconsin, Manitoba, yeah. So only 5%.
Okay.
So plus 5% of 1,000 is what?
Just plus 5%.
Yeah.
Put 5 times 5 and then this one.
This one.
Quals?
Okay, $1,000.
How much?
1,000. 993.
993.3.
So 1,000.
Okay. Give me do you have a receipt?
I will give you. I will send you invoice and everything.
Okay, okay.
After, not right now.
All right.
After. So you will do an e-transfer to me for this $1,000,
Yes, yes.
and then I will take all the details and everything from you.
Okay.
And I will send the invoice in the morning. Same
Morning?
for the last guy too.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Because I will do everything in the morning when I go to the office.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, now then, let's go.
You happy?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, so I can go now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't have any coolant though. How many coolant we going to put?
I think it will take 7. The last guy put 7
Yeah.
or 8. 8. He put 8.
You computed 8, right?
I computed 8. Yeah.
Okay, so
So we are
3,
going to put
6. Okay, so yeah, so if we can put how much, then if you have some, and then I'm just
I'll give
gonna
you some extra.
yeah, some extra in here.
Sige.
Okay. All right.
Okay, you go there. I will pass you.
Okay.
You put this in. All my friends are Filipino here.
Do you now? Do you have a lot of friends?
I have a lot of friends.
Yeah, you're gonna give me a discount, man.
That's why I don't charge you 300. Normally I charge 300 to call out.
How much did you charge?
Normally I charge 300 to call out and 3-hour labor. I only charge you half of the call out, only 150, and I charge you only 2-hour labor, same as the last guy.
Well, at least you can just give me at least discount $100.
My friend, I already gave you
That's a lot. That's a lot of discount already.
150, $320 discount. You will see in the invoice.
You're gonna make sure you're gonna send me. You're gonna make sure you're gonna send me, okay?
Yeah.
Here you go. One. Do you have any, you have the thing?
The what?
You can just put in here so that it's faster. The, what do you,
Coolant.
yeah, not,
This is the fastest way. No funnel.
the panel,
It's not good.
not good? Panel is not good? Okay.
Yeah. It's easier like this. It's cleaner.
Okay. Dua. Drain na drain yan eh. It's drain, right?
Yeah. It will take 6. 8. 8, not 6. It will take 8.
Apat.
So where are you from when, like, where about in Philippines?
Huh?
Where about in Philippines?
I'm from Manila.
Are you from Manila?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was born in Manila and then we moved into different province, Pangasinan. Here.
Okay.
Or
Here.
hold on. Panglima.
I think maybe you will take less.
Eh?
I think you will take less. I think maybe 7.
Did you still charge me for extra with the coolant or no?
No.
Oh, I thought you charged me. Oh yeah. 5 lang. Okay, that's enough. We cannot put anything here. Look,
No,
look.
more.
Huh?
Because it will take more.
Okay.
Once it will start, all the air in the pocket,
Oh, okay.
it will come out.
So this is 6, right?
Yeah, that's the one you are holding. Yeah.
Yeah, so the buzzer is already.
That's it. That's good. That's good.
That's good, right?
Just start it now. And yeah, just start it.
Okay, so we hold this. Start it and we'll see.
Yeah, it will go down.
Yeah, it will go down. Okay.
It's already going down.
Here it is.
Just start it and.
Is it leaking?
No, fucking.
Okay. Oh, so it's color blue.
Yeah.
It's leaking. It's your job. You have to go down again. Palatawa rin ito. Pababain mo ulit yan. Okay. Yan. Oh yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Okay. Ooh. Okay, just give me only 2. Okay. Okay.
After driving 1 hour,
Yeah.
open this
Check.
and check and put more if you want.
Okay, okay.
After 1 hour.
Okay, and doon ka na lang sa kabila ilagay ito. Alright, let's go. Bayad time. Nabasa. Give me your information. Okay.
My email address for the e-transfer.
Yeah, okay. Okay. You got it?
Don't know. Just checking.
Yeah, I just sent it now.
Okay.
Is your number is the one that's Quebec?
Yeah,
Why is it Quebec?
because I used to live there.
Oh, okay. Still that one, your number.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. It's my company, Swift Petit Repair, and give me a review, a good review in Tagalog.
Okay. I will check it in
Later, yeah, no
okay.
problem. because I asked for the review before.
I'll give you a review. Don't
Yeah.
worry. And this is my YouTube too.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
I always have people going. Yeah. Ang aming pamilya ay nagmamaneo mula Calgary papuntang Nipawa, Manitoba na ang aming 2022 Ford Edge ay nagkaroon ng problema sa alternator malapit sa swift current dahil linggo noon halos lahat ay sarado. Nag-search ako Google more. Yun. Yeah. It's Tagalog, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, Google auto repair shop and that's it. Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I'll
yeah.
give you.
See?
Maraming salamat Mr. Singh at sa lahat ng iyong mga kaibigan at kasamahan na tumulong sa amin. Kung sakaling mag-stranded kami malapit sa Swift Current, lubos kong i-recommenda ang Swift Petit. Okay?
See?
Good. Alright.
Alrighty, man.
You got it?
I don't know. I will check.
You have to. Check first. Before I leave. Okay.
Yeah,
You got it?
it's here.
Okay, that's the
See,
account.
that other guy I charged 700 because he have all the coolant and everything.
Okay, okay.
So just you pay extra. So
For the coolant, okay.
yeah.
Give
But
me.
I charge you the same price. I give you discount, the same discount I give that 5.6.
Okay. So make sure you're gonna send me the invoice, okay?
Yeah. I will send you the invoice. I have the truck.
Yeah. So my company is Lakay Transport,
It's not this.
not that one.
Oh,
Okay, I'll give you.
yeah. Send me the name of your company.
Okay, this is your number. There. I just did. I-charge ko para laging malakas.
I send you those 3 things. I need the name of the company. It's like that.
Okay.
I need the address
Okay.
and then email address.
Okay, sure.
3 things.
Okay.
When you send it to me, I will send you the invoice.
Okay, okay.
Salamat.
Yeah, have a good night. Okay. Alright guys, tapos na. Tara. Alright guys, tara. After ko mag-drive na isang oras, tignan natin, natripilan natin kung sakaling kailangan. Meron pang dalawang oras at kalahati mula sa dideliveran. Inabot ako ng inabot ako ng 4 na oras din dito. Mag-alas 3 na eh. Andun na nga ako dapat kung hindi lang ako nagka-problema eh. Walang iya. Kung hindi lang ako nagka-problema, nandun na tayo eh. Anyway, ayan. Focus. Kasi yung palusong na ganon tapos pangat, may tubig pala yun doon. Kaya yun, nadali kami, pati yung kasama ko ay pati yung isang driver. Alright guys, yan. But anyway, ratrating ko na to. Sana wala nang problema para dire-diretso na ako. Wala na naman na ako magagawa doon eh. Gawa nga ng may tubig yung karsada. Tapos siguro dahil sa hindi ko makita, hindi masyadong malalim, kahit nasagasaan ko yung tubig, tumama sa kung saanong hose doon sa ilalim. Hydroplumbing kumbaga. Alright. But anyway, yan. Ayos, babahin natin. May lumalabas na lumalabas na sign. Ewan ko ba ano kayong nangyari doon. Lumalabas na naman yung coolant flow eh. Baka mamaya nag-leak pa rin. Sana wag naman na, Lord. Wala naman tumatagas. Wala naman tumutulo. Wala naman tumutulo. Walang tumutulo. Siguro dahil nga kaya bumaba siya, dagdagan ko. Ayun, wag, mainit pa yan. Hintayin lang natin sumingaw. Yan, dagdagan ko lang. Natin bumaba yung level ng coolant eh. Muna meron pa konti to kung sakali man, pang dagdag ko kung sakali man. Meron pa laman eh. Alright guys, tara. I-charge ko ulit to para laging malakas. Pag nakakalimutan ko kasi yan. Ano, lumalabas-labas kasi guys kaganina yung ano, yung parang ano niya. Nagbabasar siya ulit kaganina kasi. Ayan. Tara, pakiramdaman ko ulit.
Lakai Tracker.